Kan long kasngi sakan mau haka history jangka Seng Salesian Udon Bosco jangka Shillong province pa menta kasngi kalai phau tarik unai wieng layo ban pelat pat ba eka first indigenous 33 kVA silent generator balashna da Zati Productions jangka Don Bosco Texel Char Uparar Paul Ulingkod provincial ka Shillong province ubalong ukongsan haka ni kasngi pelat pat ba eka ni ka generator la don ru ki provincial council jangka Shillong province Yakanika generator la sedang nadu kumbalai Snem menshua hendrai babun ki kam ban penjanai ban penbahashu shu bani ki weki generator kala shimpor hadu lai Snem ban pendap yaka. Brother Reggie Cheru Kanal ubadai u director jang kateka institute ulalong uwe ki engineer ban shnai kateka generator.
3 kVA silent generator. So after the trials of maybe 3 years of trial and learning, now we are ready to send the first product on demand, and this first product will be going to Dongba Parish, and then this is ordered by Father Peter Semeli. So we thank him for putting his place in the production capacity of Boscotec. So it is an indigenous product, Sati power, coming from the Sati Productions. So we are happy that Father Provincial and the entire council is here to flag off this first product from Sati Productions to Nongo Parish. So I request for the provincial to start the generator and do the changeover so that the entire technical school building will be functioning from this particular generator first.
I'd like to congratulate Reggie and Rajo director and
engineer
Sojit and Father Bosco and Rishi, the engineer, and all the staff here in the Boscotec.
Rishi.
First Zati power production of the province, which is being here in Silsia, Don Bosco Silsia. So it's my joy to start this machine.
Yes, sir.
Good evening. This is Brother Reggie from Don Bosco Tech, Silcha. We are happy that we are able to bring out the first edition of our generator set this year. Our boys had been on a trial basis. They had been testing and trying this generator set for the past 2 years. And today, successfully, we can send out this generator to the market. Our boys had been experimenting with vehicle engines actually. Generators have got their conventional engines are there. So these generators are used using the vehicle engines modified, and then they generate the power for their alternator. So we are able to now produce maybe around 30 kVA, 40 kVA and 62 kVA. The higher versions will be tested later. Now, one of the major difference between these generators and the conventional generators is that it is almost maintenance free, because even if there is a maintenance, the consumer himself will be able to manage with minimal mechanics from the market area, because these generators are using vehicle engines. At the same time, these are fuel efficient. We have noticed that they have got almost 30 to 40% more fuel efficiency than the conventional generators. And third, a good factor is that these are experimented and produced by the technical school students. They experimented, they produced, and successfully all our 3 technical school and other production units are using the generators produced by our students. So they have tested, they have tried, and they have successfully completed it. And today we have got a generator that we can confidently put it in the market for sale.